Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Lobster King. The Lobster King is a unique and highly sought-after fish within the game Fisch, found in the Second Sea. However, it is important to note that this particular fish is currently classified as extinct. This means that, unfortunately, it cannot be obtained through regular fishing or gameplay methods in the current version of the game. Historically, the majestic Lobster King could be found in the Netter's Haven area of the Second Sea. Anglers would seek it out during specific conditions, as it preferred foggy weather, particularly during the winter or spring seasons, and exclusively at nighttime. To catch this elusive creature, players would deploy specialized lobster cages, hoping to reel in this valuable crustacean. The reason for the Lobster King's unobtainability stems from a significant in-game event known as the Continental Drift. This event led to its classification changing from an exotic rarity to an extinct one. This pivotal update, specifically version 1.31.0, marked the point where the Lobster King could no longer be caught. It's a piece of game history that impacts current gameplay. Since direct capture is no longer possible, the sole method for acquiring a Lobster King in the current game is through player trading. This means you would need to connect with another player who possesses this rare, extinct fish and is willing to exchange it. Due to its extreme rarity and historical significance, the trade value of a Lobster King can be quite substantial, often reflecting its unique status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.